Churachandpur district ke tungan from adidagi security force na lanfam de sinagadaba khusukhulai kya fagat pangam kre. Aukiwa January thagi kuntrada security force na Churachandpur district ki Thoroilok village da khusukhulai kya lotuna thamle haiba akaknaba paw ama fangmadagi Assam Rifles Border Security Force amade Manipur Police ka loinana thiba humba chathabada 9mm pistol .303 rifle 12mm bore gun mortar amadi lanfam de sinagadaba khulai kya fagat pangam le hari amadi haukiba January thagi kuntraga mathoida Churachandpur district ki Songpi village marakta yamlaba khulai kya leire haina thajaba yaba paw ama phangmadagi Assam Rifles amasung Manipur Police ki apunba security force na hariba mafam adu koishinduna thiba humbagi thabak chathabada 9mm pistol carbine machine gun shotgun .22 automatic rifle single barrel rifle mortar na chingba khulai kya fagat pangam le hari fagalaba khuchu khulai singadu Manipur Police station da khusinakre haina headquarter IGAR na thador pocheron amana hari